Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model one simple cartoon type pen in Blender. Very simple cartoon type plain pen. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this is a cartoon type pen. This is our final thumbnail render. This is cartoon type pen, very easy model. Anyone can model this cartoon type pen model in Blender. So I hope you guys let me save this first. Save as JPG. Okay guys, that's it. So here is our final render. So here is our model. This is our model. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.